Love is one of the most common topics that people turn to tarot for. From trying to find ways to embrace your own personal self love, finding new love, or strengthening and overcoming obstacles in a current relationship, the nature of tarot is that it helps us navigate these difficult circumstances and situations where it's helpful to have a little guidance. Before you start shuffling your deck, let's talk about the best spreads for your situation. Hi, I'm Panthera and I'm the Fairwood Witch. Today I'll be walking you through 3 different tarot spreads. One for self-love and personal healing, one for drawing in new love if you're looking, and one for deepening a connection in a current relationship. So no matter what kind of a relationship you're in or not in, I wanted these spreads to be very open, whether you are aromantic or asexual, part of the LGBTQIA plus community, or don't fit within the normal gender binaries. No matter where you are in your journey, one of these tarot spreads might be able to help you find some insight, clarity, and direction. I'm going to be breaking down each spread card by card and show you how to use them in your own practice. And I'll be using the Goddess of Love Tarot for these spreads today. If you want to see the review of this deck and the full flip through plus my interview, check it out up above. So grab your deck, grab your cozy drink, and let's get started. Our first tarot spread for our love collection is our self-love tarot spread, The Heart of the Hero. Every hero's journey begins with self-discovery, and this spread is for those embracing the path of self-love, healing, and personal empowerment because you are the main character of your own epic tale. Our first card for this spread is The Mirror's Reflection. What is my current relationship with myself? Our second card, The Wounds of the Past. What past pain or self-doubt still lingers? Our third card, The Sacred Flame. What strength or quality within me needs to be recognized? And our fourth card, The Elixir of Healing. How can I nurture and show love to myself more deeply? Our fifth card, The Quest for Joy. What will bring me true happiness at this stage of my journey? And card number 6, The Guardian's Wisdom. What support or guidance is available to me right now? And our final card, The Future Path. How can I step into my power and embrace my fullest self? You are the hero of your own story, and the most important relationship you will ever have is the one with yourself. True self-love is not a destination, but a journey, one of healing, growth, and deep inner trust. As you walk this path, may you remember that you are already whole, worthy, and enough. The love you give yourself sets the foundation for all the future love that you invite into your life. So take up your sword, wear your crown, and step boldly into the next chapter of your adventure. Our second spread is the Lover's Quest Tarot spread. This one is directed towards people looking for a new partner or fling. Love is an adventure, and like any great quest, it's filled with challenges, self-discovery, and fate. This spread is designed to help you understand your personal journey to love and how to prepare for the right connection. So our first card is the Hero, you. What energy are you bringing into love right now? Our second card, the Past Trials. What past experiences or wounds still influence my approach to relationships? Card number 3, the Treasure I Seek. What do I truly desire in a romantic partner and connection? And card number 4, the Quest Ahead. What personal growth or lesson should I focus on before finding love? Card number 5, the Hidden Ally. What strength or trait within me will help me attract the right love? Card number 6, the Encounter. What energy or type of person is entering my love life next? And card number 7, the Final Key. What advice does the universe have for me on my journey to love? Love is an adventure filled with unexpected twists, lessons, and moments of pure magic. The path ahead may not always be clear, but each step you take brings you closer to the connection that is meant for you in this moment. Trust the journey, trust yourself, and know that love is not something to chase, it is something to cultivate within and without. As you embark on this quest, may you find not only love, but a deeper understanding of what your heart truly desires. Our third and final tarot spread is the Fated Bonds Tarot spread. This is a spread designed to strengthen your connection to your partner or partners, address challenges, and move forward together with clarity and intention. Love is a journey, and this spread helps you navigate it side by side. Our first card is the Foundation. What is the core strength of our relationship? Our second card, the Shadows Between Us. What unspoken tension or issue needs attention? Third card, my role in this bond. How can I show up better in this relationship? Our fourth card, your partner's role in this bond. How can I better understand my partner's needs? Fifth card, a challenge to overcome together. What external or internal obstacle are we facing? Card number 6, healing and growth. What steps can we take to strengthen our connection? And our 7th and final card, the path forward. What energy or mindset should we embrace moving forward? Every love story is a journey, one of learning, compromise, and deep connection. No relationship is without challenges, but through understanding and intention, even the roughest waters can be navigated together. This spread is a guide, a lantern in the dark, illuminating the strengths and lessons within your bond. Whether you're working through difficulties or simply seeking deeper alignment, may this reading bring clarity, wisdom, and a renewed sense of partnership. And there you have it. 3 tarot spreads to help you navigate love in all of its beautiful forms. My Libra heart is so happy. I hope one of them has resonated with you and is what you need right now in terms of your love journey. Do try to remember the cards can offer guidance, but the real magic is how you apply that wisdom on the daily. So take what resonates, trust your intuition, and most importantly, make sure that whatever love you're calling in starts with a strong foundation of self-worth. You're beautiful and you're worthy of love, not only from others, but also from yourself. If you try out one of these spreads, I'd love to hear how they worked out for you. So please drop a comment below and let me know how it worked. So take what you love, but make it your own, for the path of a witch is uniquely grown. And until I see you next time, my friends, stay wild. Bye-bye.